All right, here we go with example 2 from section 1.4, solving this absolute value equation. Not as difficult as you might think. We're going to rewrite our equation first so we can play around with it. There are two ways of doing this. I'll show you one way first. Let's add a 9 on both sides. Okay, and that will get us the absolute value of 3x minus 6 equals a negative 3 plus 9 is 6. Now, if negative 3 plus 9 is difficult for you to do, rearrange it in your mind like I do. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is so much easier than thinking negative 3 plus 9. My brain works like that, okay? Okay, now this looks like the previous problem almost, so we can write this as 3x minus 6 equals 6, and 3x minus 6 equals a negative 6, because we're going to have two different values here. So let's add 6 on both sides. Add 6 on both sides. We're left with 3x equals 12. 3x equals 0. Now we'll divide by 3 and divide by 3. So x is going to equal 4. X equals 0. Now we have two numbers there. And for fun, I want to graph it so you can see again. I want to show you something. All right, so let's start with, it says it equals 6. So we'll make this 8, 10, 12, 4, 2, 0, negative 2. All right. It started at 6, right? And x equals 4. And x equals 0. There's our graph. I guess I didn't really need all of that. Okay. This also, you can rewrite this to this right here. You can rewrite this part. Let me take this. It's still recording, good. Over here. That can be rewritten as 3 times the absolute value of x minus 2 equals 6. What I did is I factored out a 3. I took a 3 out of what was inside, okay? That 3 came out of here, and the 3 came out over here. So remember how I did the distribution on other questions where you do 3 times x, and that's 3x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Well, we just did it in reverse. We factored out a 3. Okay, and now since I did that, I can divide this whole side by 3 and this side by 3, and that's going to cause the 3 to go away. So you're left with the absolute value of x minus 2 equals 2. And then we would continue on just like we did over here. X minus 2 equals 2. X minus 2 equals a negative 2, and you would solve everything and so on and so forth.